How to fix Snapchat streak loss problem in 2026. Well, hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now first, to fix the issue, you'll have to understand what Snapchat streak is. Now basically on Snapchat, if you send a snap a day back and forth and you continue that for continuous without missing a day, a 24-hour schedule, then this streak will be formed. For instance, you can see I have one streak and I have 283 streak. So it means I've been sending snap and I've also been receiving snaps at least one per day for 283 days with this particular user. Now in order to not break it, to not lose it, I'll have to maintain this continuity with this particular user sending the snap and receiving the snap from her. In case one day within 24 hours frame I do not send the snap and she does not send me the snap, even if one of us breaks that particular continuity, then this streak will be lost. So in order to not lose this streak, you'll have to make sure that continuity continues. And also you can create shortcuts here at the top. You can create shortcuts group so that you'll be able to select directly friends that from particular group and send it directly without choosing them one by one. The other option, if you lost a streak, is you'll get up to 5 free streaks, free restores, right? So you can restore it, or you can restore it by purchasing it as well. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.